Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Another champion of the idea of specific types of intelligences rather than one overall intelligence is the psychologist Howard Gardner. Gardner argued that it would be evolutionarily functional for different people to have different talents and skills, and proposed that there are 9 intelligences that can be differentiated from each other. Gardner contends that these are also forms of intelligence. A high IQ does not always ensure success in life, or necessarily indicate that a person has common sense, good interpersonal skills, or other abilities important for success. Gardner investigated intelligences by focusing on children who were talented in one or more areas. He identified these 9 intelligences based on other criteria, including a developmental history and psychometric findings. Howard Gardner suggests that there are not one, but 9 domains of intelligence. The first 3 are skills that are measured by IQ tests. Linguistic, the ability to speak and write well. Logical mathematical, the ability to use logic and mathematical skills to solve problems. Spatial, the ability to think and reason about objects in 3 dimensions. Musical, the ability to perform and enjoy music. Kinesthetic, body, the ability to move the body in sports, dance, and other physical activities. Interpersonal, the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. Intrapersonal, the ability to have insight into the self. Naturalistic, the ability to recognize, identify, and understand animals, plants, and other living things. Existential, the ability to understand and have concern from life's larger questions, the meaning of life, and other spiritual matters. The concept of multiple intelligences has been influential in the field of education, and teachers have used these ideas to try to teach differently for individual students. For instance, to teach math problems to students who have particularly good kinesthetic intelligence, a teacher might encourage the students to move their bodies or hands according to the numbers. On the other hand, some have argued that these intelligences sometimes seem more like abilities or talents rather than real intelligence. There is no clear conclusion about how many intelligences there are. Are a sense of humor, artistic skills, dramatic skills, and so forth also separate intelligences?